Hi guys, this is HyperG5010 and today we're going to be playing this game called Subway Surfer where we try and discover this new map right here, and yeah, straight into it. And we're going to be looking at we're just going to be looking at what I get in this game, wonder what prizes we get, and yeah. So ouch, I don't need to. Anyway guys, like this, I got key. Okay, that was rare on the first attempt of this video. I'm literally, oh flip. I also want to get the coins. I have 7 minutes to do this video, so please leave a like. Please also play Subway Surfer. It's actually a good game to play. Subscribe, like the video, and we're gonna start playing. Okay, so here I am on the way. I don't know why you should be painting on trains though. I mean, that's a waste of time. Can you just be playing Fortnite? Yes, playing Fortnite will do it. Also guys, go check out season 6. If you haven't seen it, then that's sad, because season 6 is actually good. I don't have the battle pass, but if I get like about, obviously I'll get the next battle pass, but there is one thing I can do for a challenge. If I get about like 50 likes in this video, I might do a challenge where I'll the skin challenge. You'll find out if I get 50 likes. So please go like the video, subscribe, and I also do recommend you go subscribe to Dragon Z 5010, since he is I'm in his clan. We're basically partners in this, so yeah. So here we are. I think the jumps give you more coins, since as you can see, like that. Sorry guys if this happens. Weird ads come up straight away. I'm not quite sure why. We're gonna attempt making one match into a good match. I don't know why one match, but I'll do another video. I'll just do another freaking we're gonna watch. Oh, okay. That is weird. That is weird. Yep, what's this? Are you kidding me? Am I? Oh, this. I've played this before. I don't actually want to. Wait, what? I pressed X though. Oh my gosh, that's so lucky. That was lucky. I didn't know. What? Okay guys, I'm gonna end it in a minute. But yep, oh wait. Yes. So savage, this game. It wants me to die, does it? Okay, yeah, it wants me to die. But guys, subscribe, like the video. Wait, I thought I was gonna get nice. So guys, please like and subscribe. I'll do another video. Also, I wonder what this is. Oh, yeah, I need to get more keys. Look, on the top section over here as well, it has, like, yeah. So guys, I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, make sure you tell everyone about this video. I don't know about my face, but just subscribe, like. I'll do another Subway Surfer. Look, he's waving as well. Bye, guys, and I'll see you soon. Boy.